Hi Andra, this is Brittany. I'm promised you guys a video about your website and to provide some tips and tricks for you guys at JVP Flooring. So I'm going to go over 3 things with you. I'm going to go over content, backlinks, and citations, and then I'm going to show you the opportunity of taking these steps for your business. So first thing I want to go over on your web page is the content on your page. Right here I'm looking for the number of words that you have, and unfortunately you don't have a whole lot of content on your page except for really this section right here, so probably like 30 words or so, but you do have some good photos, and I like how you guys have been recognized for a lot of rewards. That's super awesome. And at the bottom you have a call to action, which is also great and very important for a website such as yours. But I just wanted to let you know, we do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page for websites. This helps you guys rank on Google. And that just depends on your competition and the number of keywords needed. Keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms that you want your website found for. For example, since you're on flooring, a keyword you might want to have is flooring installation, Atlanta, Georgia. Just for an example there. So let's go ahead and look at someone who is your competition. So I went into Google search results and I typed in Atlanta, Georgia flooring installation, which is just another example of a keyword. And on the first spot in the organic Google search result is Georgia flooring here. So they're ranked at the #1 spot. So let's take a look at their website. So here is Georgia Flooring's website. They also do not have a whole lot of content on their front page. I would say maybe at the most 60 words maybe. So they are also definitely lacking in that area here. And they have some really great sub-pages that I wanted to point out to you guys that are super detailed and very content rich with lots of words. So this is fantastic and great, and these actually, with this content here on their subpages and every single one of their subpages that they have, this actually strengthens their website by a lot and allows them to rank for more keywords. And I'm going to show you that a little bit more in detail in just a little bit. But first, I want to go over something called Backlinks. So this is a program that I use to research websites, and I put in you and in your competition as well in another window to evaluate how you're doing. So here on these 2 circles we see 2 things. We see DR and UR. DR is essentially a power rating by Google, and UR is essentially a trust rating by Google. And these 2 ratings are raised by something called backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's literally like a popularity contest. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting relevant to your industry and local websites will work best. So looking at your backlinks, I count you only have 14 backlinks, which is pretty low. You have some good quality ones here, and that one's low quality, but these are actually really good, super good backlinks to have. You have great quality ones, but you definitely want to bring that up some more. Regarding your competition on backlinks, let's take a look at them. They have 221 backlinks. So you definitely want to not only match those number of backlinks that they have, you also want to, I suggest getting that up a couple hundred more, maybe to 400 or 500 or so on that. So now I want to move on to something called citations. Now a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile, and these help you rank in the map pack. which is here, usually at the top of a Google search result. And these are extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. And you can have your citations in multiple directories like Yelp, Better Business Bureau. And looking at yours, you have 6 citations here. You are on Yellow Pages, so that's good. You have a couple more as well. But looking at your competition, they have a lot more citations. They have 71 citations, and they have their information on multiple platforms. So you definitely want to get that up as well. So you want to increase the amount of backlinks that you have and the amount of citations that you have to beat out your competition. So the idea with these citations is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. And the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So let's move on to one more thing. So just overview real quick. We've gone over your content, your backlinks, and citations. And these all 3 come together. And you'll start to outgrow your competitors. Here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So looking at their organic traffic, they get about 163 people looking at their website, and for yours, you don't have any currently. I also did a little bit more research, and unfortunately, you're just not ranking on Google. Not even within those first 10 pages. And looking at your keywords, you have 4 keywords in your website you're ranking for. However, these are not really service or location specific, whereas your competition, they have 227 keywords, and these are service and location specific, such as carpet installation Atlanta, flooring installation Atlanta, flooring companies Atlanta, floor installation Atlanta, etc. And on these keywords, a lot of them, this is the search volume that they are receiving per month for that keyword. So carpet installation Atlanta is getting 300 searches per month, and their website's at place 2 on the Google search results. Floor installation Atlanta gets 100 per month. Flooring companies Atlanta gets 100 per month. Refinishing carpet floors Atlanta gets 350 per month. So with these keywords, consumers are constantly looking for the services that they want, and there's a really high search volume for hardwood floors as far as installation or refinishing or anything to do with that. There's definitely the market out there for that. So they're definitely ranking for those, which is why they're showing up and getting a lot of that traffic that you are not. So by generating this kind of traffic, their conversion rate's able to be a lot higher. So there are many more keywords as well that you could use to generate more traffic and leads. But that is about it and wraps it up for this video. I hope this was helpful. And I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence to get you rated on Google, and hopefully on that first page, because that's where you want to be. So thank you so much for allowing me to serve you, and I really appreciate some feedback. My contact information is below in my signature. I hope to hear from you soon, and I hope you have a great day.